Good evening, guys. How was your day? And welcome back to another video tutorial from Impact Media. In this very tutorial, we'll be designing a burger poster. And without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So I will have to delete this and then bring the background we're going to use from my gallery. So I'll be using this background. Okay, let me make it like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Now I want to bring another background. So I'll be using this. Okay. So you have to adjust it and make sure it fits it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, let me adjust the color. Sorry about that. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Now you have to pin it down to make sure it stays at the right position. Okay, now I will have to bring in the burger we are using, the burger design. Using this is the burger we are using. Now you have to place it on the background very well. Now you have to make sure it stays at the middle. Okay, I think it's okay about that. I'm bringing also another thing. Okay, you just have to place this one at the back. Now just move it and make sure it stays in between the two wooden material we're using for the design. So I think it's okay like this. Now you have to pin everything down to make sure it doesn't get away from where you place it. Now let's start with the words and everything. Now I'm going to write super. Okay, sorry about that. Super. Delicious. So give it a color that you know it fits. You need to give it a color that you know it fits the background and everything. Okay, I think this yellow is preferable. Yes, this yellow is preferable. Now let's choose the font we are going to use. Okay, I think this is okay. Now concerning the super, okay, we need to pin it down. We are going to use this white color for the super, and all we have to do is just choose a good font. Okay, I will choose Javacom. Okay, so you have to place it at the right place. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Now you need a description of what you are about to display, but since it's just a design, you can just put anything. Okay. I will have to shift this one up a little bit. The same thing also goes for the delicious. Shift it up a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like that. Sorry. Now let's deal with this. Now you go to your alignment and choose the one that center it at the middle. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's okay like this. Now you have to make sure it stays at the center. Now let's choose the font we're going to use for it. Okay, I think this one is okay. Now you can just space it. So let's change the color to yellow. Yes, I think it's more preferable to that. And let's choose a good font. Okay, I think it's okay like that. Now let me shift it down a little bit. And let me find a logo I can use. So I will have to bring in a logo from my gallery. This burger logo from I'm using this burger logo from okay, I'll be using this burger logo for my design. Okay, I believe it's okay like that. Okay, now let's proceed to filling in the other information. So I'm going to change the color. Let me change the color to the color we're using here. Okay, let's see, maybe it's okay. Let's add the white stroke. Yes, I believe it's okay like that. I believe it's okay like that. Okay, let me add the price tag. I think it's best for me to add the price tag. So I'm going to use the same font I use for this delicious. So all I have to do is just copy it and then change the text. Let's make it $50 only. Okay, so I'm going to make it white so that the color, so that we can know what's there. Now under the alignment, you have to use this alignment to make it look okay, and so you have to place it at the middle of the shape you have created. And make sure if it fits it. Okay, I believe it's okay like that. So let's merge the two together. So by merging the two together, it becomes one. Okay, as you can see now, it becomes one. So I'm going to bring in an arrow that will indicate that the burger is $50 only. Okay, so this is the arrow I'll be using, so you have to just do it like this. Okay, I believe it's okay like that. So guys, we have come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much guys. See you in my next video.